Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name's John if you're new here, and today I thought I would do something completely different and do a Nikkie tutorials inspired look based on her most previous video, which is the Google Did My Makeup look. So I consider this as a challenge, and I thought this would be really good because I'm not good at makeup, and I was like, well, if I can do it off a picture, that's even harder. So I was like, let's do this, because her look looked so cool and she had a genius idea of how to do this. So shout out to Nikkie. If you don't know who Nikkie is, please go follow her. She's amazing. She's an amazing beauty guru. And yeah, without further ado, if you're interested, keep on watching. If you don't like makeup, then just click off. But if you want to see me either fail or maybe turn out good, I don't know. We'll see. Keep on watching. We'll keep on watching and we'll see how this turns out. Alright, let's jump right into the video. Started doing my eye look already, and I forgot to tell you guys that what you do for this challenge is you type in Google your first letter in your first name and the first letter in your last name, and you type it in Google and you put look, and whatever the first picture is that comes up is the one you pick. So I got this, which is freaking crazy, but I feel like you can make a pretty good look with that because it's a lot of purple, a lot of blue, a lot of black. It probably can work. It'll work. So sorry. Now let me go back to doing the eyes because I completely forgot to tell you guys that. And yeah, that's why I'm doing this, because I thought this was really cool. You could take a picture on Google. And so I try to zoom you guys up a little closer so you can see. But Nikkie starts off with her eyes in this video, so I'm gonna start off like priming my eyes and kind of doing my eyebrows first underneath, and then doing the eye look. I'm just gonna use my finger. I think I put way too much on. Ah. Alright, let me get this brush. And guys, I do wear makeup sometimes, so I do kind of know how to do stuff, but it's just, I just wear foundation and stuff. So this is like a true test to see if I can actually do something. I hate carving out my brows because they're so thick. So I put all the concealer around my eyes and then basically prime my eyes. And now we're gonna go jump into powders. So I was thinking from that photo, and I'll link it in like a picture too. That photo has a lot of purple, so I was thinking maybe a purple blue eye. I'm gonna take this like Estee Lauder purple thing. Purple eyeshadow. Let's see. I want to make a transition shade, and I have hooded eyes, so I want this to be like the transition shade. Build it up more here, if you guys can see. I don't know. Do the other side. I think that looks pretty good. What do you guys think? I mean, I think it's even enough. I really don't know if it's even or not. But I want to darken the crease, so let's take a smaller brush and darken the crease here. Well, that's pretty. If you guys really are interested, I will list all of the makeup products I'm using. Some of it's mine and some of it's my mom's. All I know is the secret is blend, 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 blend. If you don't blend, shit happens. So I'm just gonna take my time and blend the fuck out of this and see if I can do a really good job. That looks pretty even. This is hard to judge if it's even or not. Blues. There's like a tad of turquoise, but I see no turquoise in there. So I'm gonna do like a blue. And obviously black is gonna be like the eyeliner. And I'm probably gonna fuck up on that. You know, don't quote myself. but we'll do that. So I'm gonna freaking find blue. I guess that blue can work. Oh, I can do two blues. Those would work good. I'm going in with this blue shade. And this is like not going up. It's not very pigmented. Did I like literally? I don't think I did anything. I literally did nothing. This shadow sucks, so I'm like putting it with my hand. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna put it with my finger. It's like very shitty quality. So we're gonna try and see. Okay, it's like sort of working. I'm getting it everywhere. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create. I think that's kind of pretty. I don't know if you guys can see. Like I said, I have super hooded eyes, so when I go like that, you can't see anything. So let's kind of blend it. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Okay, and another blue. Color is like not sticking. This shadow sucks. No, I'm trying my hardest, guys. I swear to you. I am very artistic, so I feel like I might be able to pull this off. But we shall see. The shadow is so horrible. It literally is coming off when I'm doing that. Alright, I mean, I feel like I did a decent job. I mean, what do you guys think? I'm kind of happy with it. It looks like the photo, like for sure. So guys, I put concealer under my under eyes and then I set it. I don't have foundation on yet because I want to finish the eye look and then apply the foundation. But I'm just waiting for that to set. So maybe I'll do my eyebrows. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I mean, I already have thick eyebrows, so I'm just gonna kind of fill in any of the sparse areas and I should be good. Any of the sparse areas here. So I filled my brows in the best I could. Probably look like super thick now, but I think I did a good job. I'm gonna do the under eye now. I'm gonna wipe the bake off first. So I'm gonna take a smaller brush and just kind of smoke it out with that purple transition we did earlier. Guys, my eyes started watering like crazy. My eyes are like all watery right now. I'm trying to put this under my eyelid. I'm gonna go in with that darker purple right here, just to darken it up a little. And then we're gonna take that light blue shade and put it right here. Alright, that's like my finished look. My eyes are super watery right now. Oh god. I think I'm gonna do the eyeliner. And that might fuck up this look. Alright guys, so I have this NYX liner. Brand new, I'm gonna freaking open it. I'm scared because I think I did a good job on my eyes, but I may mess up with this thing. But that picture has black in it, so we gotta do the black. I'm scared. Okay. I know you kind of put it at the corner. We'll see if that works. Oh my god. So I had to do that off camera because that was hard. I don't know how you girls do wing liner all the time, or guys do wing liner all the time. This shit is hard. I got what I kind of want to, I feel like that's okay. Like that's the best I'll do. It's like a dramatic wing, I know. But putting it on this side, I don't know how it's gonna turn out. So I'll turn the camera off and we'll see what happens. Okay guys, I put on mascara, finished the wing, kind of messed up, but did the best I could. And then I put on mascara, so I'm not gonna put on false lashes because I don't have any, and I think my eyelashes are long enough. Now I'm just gonna do my face, and then that's it. So I put foundation on and powder, and I used a beauty blender and a brush just to kind of push it in better. And now I'm going to bronze and put on lipstick, and then we'll be done. Okay, so I put my bronzer on. Now, I don't even know what's next. I think it's just lipstick. So there was pinkish, purplish stuff in there, so I thought maybe this one, you know, this shade is good. So let's just test it out and see. Guys, I really tried. I super tried hard. Oh, I got it in my beard. I got a lipstick in my beard. I tried super hard. I kind of like it. I kind of don't. And some setting spray and we're done. I did okay. I think I did okay. Looking at this picture, do I look like it? Sorta, kinda. I think so. You know, I don't really know. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my attempt at I tried to do a Nikkie tutorial video, and I used the Google image of it, so Google did my makeup. And yeah, I tried my hardest, guys. I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you like it? Do you don't like it? Let me know down in the comments below. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe for more content. As always guys, remember, never give up, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Oh my god, like, I think I did good.